Hello. On our previous video, um, I was showing you guys how to select the cards that you're sending for grading. On this one, I'm showing you how to set up the order through PSA, right? Uh, and then again, if you would like to see other uh, grading companies, I can also do that. But they are all kind of the same. What really changes is how much they charge, the amount of time it takes, and then um, just slightly things. I'm already signed in, so let's start this submission. Grade with PSA, sell on eBay, secure with Vault. So grade with PSA just means that you're grading with them. Graded on PSA and then sell on eBay is basically once your grade is ready, it automatically goes into an auction on eBay. And then the last one is you grade through PSA and then they keep the card safely in a PSA vault. Store with full insurance, request withdrawal, or sell at any time. Okay, you sell on eBay if you just want a quick turnaround, sell on eBay. Yeah, go ahead and do it. But you can still select that option later on if you change your mind. Uh, Secure with PSA Vault. Okay, the only time I've had a card in the vault was when I actually bought a card from PSA on eBay, right? Let me tell you why I don't love this option and I wouldn't recommend it is just because when you have it in the vault, you don't have the card, right? It's in some warehouse somewhere, right? You don't know what's happening to your card, right? Um, Again, you have it on the vault. It's there for a while. You have to have it for at least 3 months, if I'm not mistaken, from last time I had to get my card from them. I had what is it called? It's basically the Moltres, Zapdos, and Articuno card that is uh, very popular right now. And I got it on a PSA 9. It's in the vault. I chose to keep it in the vault, and then I changed my mind later on and I wanted it back, right? Well, they charge you for shipping, which is another thing that they don't tell you at the beginning when you're buying from them and it's in the vault. But they also charge you a fee for getting it out before a certain amount of time, right? So you have it in the vault, you have it for only maybe a month, you change your mind, you ask for it, and they tell you, well, you wanted it too quick. We can't give it back to you just yet. But if you want it back right away, I guess we'll charge you an extra fee to send it back to you. So that's why I don't like doing anything with the PSA vault, right? If you want to sell it quickly, sell it on eBay directly. But again, all these options are available after the fact if you change your mind at any point. Today we're just gonna go with the regular grade with PSA. Okay. Uh, these are two options, assisted submission. They're basically the same. Let's go look at the classic submission and then we can change it if we want to. So this is just a little bit harder because you're selecting everything, right? Standard card, blah, blah, blah. Let's go back. If you go through the assisted submission, you just have to type in the name of your card as uh, accurately as you can, right? So let's start with the one I started with the last video, the Mega Charizard EX, right? So I'm gonna type in Mega Charizard EX, and of course there's a ton of Mega Charizards EX, and you can scroll down if you don't see it, and it's usually you never see it, right? You the best next thing is typing in the number of the card. Wait, and there it is, right? Another thing you need to make sure is that it says uh, it's the right language, right? Because we have Spanish, Italian. I think it'll be kind of cool to have these two in different languages. Um, German's also cool, but We have it in English, so let's pick English. This is just an example of like another card, right? It's not yours. Um, Tells you more or less what they think the estimated value is. So you confirm. Okay, continue to review. So this will tell you the how much. Uh, so it tells you the value, right? 1980 in present. Max insured value up to $500 per item. Most of the cars that we're sending are not more than $500, right? Even if they get a PSA 10. Uh, so I wouldn't go anything above that. But again, you can select different things. This is a 75 turnaround time, 45 turnaround time, 35 business days. I usually do an express turnaround for more expensive cards. For example, I did that for the Phantasmal Flames Mega Charizard SIR, just to get it back quickly, and it also has a good insured value, right? These two will be probably good for it. Uh, but anything lower than your card, you there's an opportunity of your card being lost at some point, and then you don't get your max value out of it. So this at least gives you some sort of security that in case anything happens to the card, you can get a copy of the card after you go through their insurance, which is there's videos out there of how painful it is. But anyways, uh, let me go through the other cards and then I'll get back to you guys.
So this is after we have gone through adding the cards, and then all you basically do is you hit the continue button. Um, you type in your address, your information, your card, uh, of course, to pay for the grading, and then you pick between what level do you want to send your cards through. But yeah, once you scroll through this, it's just showing you more or less on how to arrange your items. It has a link to download the the receipts, or basically the forms that you need to send with your order, and then it gives you a list of what this order is sending. So this is the order I decided to send over. And something they want you to do is when you're arranging your cards, make sure that they're in the order that you submitted them. Uh, the very first one being at the very top, and then so on, right? After that, yeah, so they're very particular about that, and they want you to do it that way to save them a little bit of time. This is how they want you to send them: two pieces of cardboard, the receipt or the form, and two rubber bands. I have a different way of sending mine, so I'll show you guys that on the next video. This one's okay. I mean, you can send it like this, but um, the way I do it is a little bit cleaner. I don't know if they hate me for it. It's easier for them, I would say, to unpack. And it's also, I feel like the rubber bands actually hurt the cards. And then this is the little barcode that you're gonna put on the outside of the shipping box. And basically, this is the address that you wanna send it to. We're not sending through FedEx. I always send through USPS. Okay. Okay. So now this is the submission page. It's showing you the first set of cards that you're sending, and then basically it's showing you the service level, what cards you're sending, your submission number, I decided to go with value plus on this one. I have to add a few more submissions to this. And then I'll go ahead and show you on how to send multiple submissions in one box, right? So it's a little bit cheaper to ship over and typically a little bit faster as well. So yeah, I'll go ahead and skip me inputting all the cards, and then we'll just pick back up when I'm selecting all the submissions, and then I'll go through that. Okay, so now that we have all the cards and submissions that we are going to send, now we have to package together. So the first thing we do is we select all the service levels that we're sending, all the submissions that we're sending, and then we just click on this link for that says package together. Uh, yeah, it's gonna go ahead and send us to like a printout, and then I'll show you how that basically looks. I gotta delete this one. Okay, then, so it's basically the barcode. It's gonna send you to a printout, and then just hit print, and then that's gonna go on the outside of the box. Finally, you're just the next step is printing everything out and then putting it all in a box and then shipping it. So that's going to be on the next video.